As part of activities lined up to commemorate the 2020 Nutrition Week, a non-governmental organization, Save the Children International, in partnership with Federal Ministry of Finance, Budget and Planning, have organized a one-day training for journalists. The Director of Social Development Department, Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Abdulkader Sahadu, said the sensitization training is to build capacity on nutrition reporting and media coverage in Nigeria. Experts also stressed that malnutrition must be addressed through appropriately founded and data-driven strategies.
The purpose of workshop is to sensitize the media on basic issues that will influence the quality of coverage and frequency of reporting nutrition issues to the public. The Finance, Budget and National Planning, in collaboration with Nutrition Society of Nigeria and relevant nutrition stakeholders, since 2016 have been organizing Nutrition Week in order to encourage healthy living through nutrition education and creating public awareness on dangers of malnutrition.
He just defined it, but in the little way, see what I said, it's a condition that is brought about by inadequate consumption. You don't consume enough. You may consume, but there are still certain things that are hindering the body to absorb. Or you didn't combine well to get it absorbed, because there are some food you take, you need vitamins and minerals to quicken the absorption.